Are you seeking to reduce your electricity bills while accommodating your growing power needs? Look no further than the eHome All-in-One, the modular power storage system by Suncime. Our system integrates the most recent battery storage technology advancements for optimised performance and reliability. The intelligent built-in battery management system ensures the safe and efficient operation of the battery by overseeing the performance of individual cells, balancing the charge levels and protecting the system against overcharging and overheating. LFP battery cell technology provides a stable power supply, high energy efficiency and a longer lifespan, outperforming traditional lead-acid batteries. The system adopts an integrated design. Together with the inverter, it forms a complete energy solution that is easy to use and doesn't require any on-site docking or testing. The system combines various components into one efficient solution. The modular design allows for easy expansion as your energy needs grow, while the pre-wired design eliminates the hassle of complex wiring. Each module has a capacity of 5.2 kWh with the possibility of adding up to 3 units, achieving a 15 kWh capacity. Installing each module individually is made easy due to their weight being less than 50 kilograms. The inverter is capable of a maximum PV voltage of 550 volts and it comes with 2 MPPT trackers promoting optimal solar energy conversion. With a nominal battery voltage of 51.2 volts, it can accommodate a maximum charge and discharge power of 6,000 watts, making it the perfect match for our robust, high-performance battery system. We offer a 10-year product warranty for the storage system and 5 years for the inverter, ensuring long-term performance and reliability. Known for its unwavering commitment to quality and efficiency, Suncime is the leader in the solar industry based in China. It offers a variety of custom energy solutions, including energy storage systems, string inverters and microinverters, backed by a strong team of experienced engineers and R&D staff.